on the way to see a customer of ours down at Moray Field. Did the job just before Christmas and just going to check in and see how it's all going and say g'day. Hey guys, just arrived at Mark's house. We installed an 8 kilowatt hybrid inverter here for him and a 9.6 kilowatt battery with some Lyco panels. So let's go check it out.
I love 10-pin bowling. I've done it since I was 2. I was the youngest kid in Australia to start bowling. My father was the first Australian captain. I've represented Australia, Queensland 5 times, state, quite a few other times. Yeah, and just love it to death. So I looked around and looked at the prices that we're paying $200 a month for power, and I'm going, this is ridiculous. And then I decided, well, I rang around a few companies, and Jesse came over one day, just talking to me, and just how he spoke to me was really, really like calm, great. I think he's brilliant at what he does, and he made me feel like I could deal with him, and the comfortability, the relax. We went to no one else. The solar has proved to me that you guys sell a quality product. It took time to get it here. You know, the guys planned. He kept me informed of what was going on. And then the guys who come out to fit it, I couldn't, that's brilliant. They helped me out. They looked after everything. They told me what they're doing. They even got the drone and went up and showed me how it was done. So I thought that was quite good. And when it got going, it was not looking back. You couldn't go wrong. But I like what you guys have done. Yeah. What you stand for, who you are, and the after sale service is absolutely brilliant. If I have any problems, I ring him. Sweet. But I haven't had only water and had nothing to do with it. The bank I went through was great. You guys organised that. You did everything. I didn't need to worry about anything. You sit back and you talk, all right? Absolutely wonderful. I'd recommend him to anybody, even my worst enemy.